Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this error, connection error with error code VAN-79, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Valorant easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, and then you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here services.msc. Now you're going to look for the service called VGC, so just click on any service, press V on your keyboard. Here it is, you're going to right click on it and then click properties, and here you need to make sure that this startup type is set to automatic and the service is running. So if it is not running, just go into startup type and then click automatic or automatic delayed start, click start then, and then click apply. Okay, after that go ahead and restart your computer, and once you restart your computer, this Valorant service will start automatically. And now you're going to open up your Riot Client and try to play Valorant, and you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.